What if I told you that saving your first KSH 100,000 has nothing to do with being rich? In fact, most people who reach this milestone aren't high earners. They simply follow a system. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save your first KSH 100,000 step by step. Many people live paycheck to paycheck. Every month, rent is due. Food prices keep rising. Transport costs increase. At the end of the month, there's nothing left to save. The biggest myth is that you need a huge income before you can start saving. That's false. Step 1. Set a specific target, 130, 230. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I will save KSH 100,000 in 10 months. That means KSH 10,000 per month, about KSH 333 per day. Suddenly, the goal feels achievable. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Most people do this. Income, bills, spending, savings. The problem? Nothing is left. Successful savers do this. Income, savings, bills, spending. Save first. Spend what's left. Step 3. Find the money leaks. Track every shilling for 30 days. You'll be shocked. Examples: daily soda, snacks, unplanned shopping, frequent takeout. A few hundred shillings daily can become thousands every month. Step 4. Increase income. Saving alone is slow. Growing income accelerates everything. Examples: sell products online, freelance, offer services, start a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing. An extra KSH 5,000 monthly could cut months off your goal. Step 5. Automate savings. Don't rely on motivation. Create a system. Every payday, automatically transfer money to savings. When saving is automatic, success becomes predictable. Step 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Most people get a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. New phone, more spending, more eating out. Instead, every time income increases, save at least half of the increase. The first Kenya shillings 100,000 changes the way you think about money. It proves that you can delay gratification and build wealth. Once you save your first 100K, the next 100K becomes much easier. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your future self thank you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub and turn on notifications for more practical money and wealth building tips every week.